Hey, good morning, veterans. I was doing withdrawals and I'm still doing them. I mean, transfer, sorry, of the boost account. So I forgot to do the analysis anyway. It's the VT team, and we are back with another analysis. So, guys, this is the boost account. We just did the withdrawal, same thing now. Can use this for analysis anyway. So, we're doing analysis on the V75. So, what's happening? Let's go for a replay view of our last analysis. I think it was on Wednesday. If it's not, yeah, it was on Wednesday. So, I did something like this. Oopsie, this is not supposed to be there. Yeah, it was something like this. Not to lie, yeah, it was something like this. Yeah, guys. I think it was in a 30 minutes. Yeah, it was in a 30 minutes. I remember it was in a 30 minutes, and we had this here. Yeah, well, we 30 minutes. So the price was here. Apparently, the price was somewhere here. So I told you guys there will be a breakdown. Because I had it was an ascending triangle, and I told you it's most of them are reversal patterns. So yeah, anyway, I told you most of them are reversal patterns in some way. Was it like these guys, or was some? You can go and watch the video, but I remember the trend line was touching this and somewhere here. So I told you there'd be a break below, and there'd be a retest, and then there was a break below, and guys, this was the retest. So if you into the trade here, you could have gone into profit, and your first day profit is supposed to be here, guys. I told you to use last the higher lows of the prior trend. So the first take profit was supposed to be here or here. So if it's here, the second take profit is here, and like your stop loss is supposed to be above the line here, just above this line. So I told you this is a reversal pattern, but there can be a break above, or but most likely there'll be a break below, and we had a break below, and the price went down, and it's still going down. So if you took that trade, our analysis was very correct. That's why yesterday I didn't do an analysis. So anyway, and I told you the issues and areas. You can see the price went and bounced back on this level. So if you interlate, you could have used this. I didn't do analysis yesterday, so it was hard to know some people. So anyway, if you use the knowledge of my analysis, you could have entered this trade here. As I told you guys, enter during the pullbacks. If you enter after you find the market is already in a blackout, either below or above. So what's happening today is that we are in a level of support and resistance. I think some maybe, yeah. Let me just go to the 1 hour and see. Yeah, exactly. You're in level of support and resistance. Because this consolidation here, what I see here, this is quite rare. Yeah, it's very quite rare. It's a congestion of candles. So usually happens when the market is on the support or resistance level. So anyway, let's go and look what's happening. Like, so here, what will be here is that there will be a break. There'll be a break in this level. Let's go to the 15 minutes, guys. Let's go to the 15 minutes. I want to do it. Why am I using the 15 minutes? I wanna see this as clearly as possible. So some people call this wages and everything, but now it's just a congestion, and I'm drawing these lines to know where it's going because we have higher highs and higher lows. So it's nothing coincidental. So anyway, we have this here. So there'll be black below, probably. But if there is a black above, wait for a bounce back above this line, and if there is a black below, wait for a bounce be up to this. Wait for a pullback, like it will be black below. Wait for a pullback in this line, and you can intermediate. Like this is the pullback. Right? It was a bounce in this line, guys. I'm trying to insist this because most people just injure during this candle. No, wait for this candle to finish the beginning of this candle, place your order just below this bearish candle. It will in a bounce, a pullback when it's a bearish trend. So you enter somewhere here and you could have entered this trade. So the same thing goes today. If we have a break below, wait for a bounce on this line there, this small trend line. So wait for that bounce and you can enter the trade, guys. After the bearish candle, you can enter the trade. So if you're expecting for a bounce like here and then you enter this level, if you enter then this candle, like the price change immediately to this level. So anyway, it's not don't wait for bullish candle then you can enter. So this is like, some people call it wage, but I just call it congestion of candles that's somewhere in a downtrend. It happens during a support, when the market hits major support and resistance level. I think it's a major support and resistance level. Let's see, guys, let's see. Somewhere it is, because these are synthetic indices, so they are controlled by binary. They do not mimic the real market situation, so don't expect that okay, this will is happening in the VIX market. No, this is not the actual thing which is happening in the VIX market. This is what is happening to binary decides it to happen. So we are just playing by his rule. But anyway, the analysis still works. My analysis still works. I don't know for other guys, but my analysis works. When you use it, works. It have never failed. You can go and watch the video. So anyway, if you enter this trade here, let me show you guys just a stop loss and take profit. If you enter this trade, maybe there's a black below. You enter this trade here in a bearish rally. Your stop loss is supposed to be here, guys, above the line here. Your stop loss is supposed to be here. And if you enter this trade maybe for a bullish rally, your stop loss is supposed to be just here, like somewhere here at this level. So that's why I advise to use as big small good trading capital. So anyway, you can put the stop loss just few pips here, like at this level here, because it goes with this high low. So here, but if you probably there will be a breakdown. So if there's a breakdown, there will be a breakdown. I assure you there'll be breakdown, but also maybe above. Anyway, use check the retest on these lines. So if there's a break above, your first take profit is here. But if there's a break below, your first take profit is supposed to be at this level. Let me use this. At this level, your first take profit, your second take profit at this level, your third take profit at this level, your fourth take profit here, your final take profit, if you wanna hold for days, it's just below. Okay, it's down below that line. So anyway, I want to make the video as short as possible, so wait for you can check this on a 15 minutes to have a clear view. Like, check it on a 15 minutes. So I usually suggest also into on a 30 minutes of or 15 minutes time frame, so you can check on that. So I hope you guys will trade this and we follow analysis, because my past analysis was correct. If you did, someone could have, some people followed it and they send me their results and okay, say thank you, man, I had few dollars, like $50, and into this trade. So anyway, you can go and trade using my analysis. They're very correct and very accurate. So thank you guys for watching the video. Any further questions you can ask me. I don't usually allow comments, so you just go to my Telegram channel or to my Telegram inbox and just DM me. I will reply as soon as I can.